Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make a beautiful home decor using these ice cream sticks. Make a triangular shape like this and then put all of them one after another like we are doing here in the video, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to spin it using finger, and look how pretty this decor piece is looking. You can put different dry leaves on the top of it like we are doing here in the video, and look how pretty this decor piece is looking. Look at this empty container. Let's decorate it. We are going to decorate it using cloth clip. Paste all the cloth clip around it using glue. Then we are going to add more details like we are covering it using jute rope like this, and look, it is ready. We are going to cut the parts and also giving it some beautiful shape using fire. Now put another ice cream sticks on the top, and look, your beautiful flower basket is ready. You can put your fresh flowers or artificial as well, and look how cute this decor piece is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.